little bit of a POV drive for you guys. Let me know how you guys like these POVs. Definitely will do more. I was going, wasn't going too hard, kind of hard, but should have added some gas. It was above a quarter, now it's below a quarter, so I'm coast all the way down. Like a 10-minute drive down. The gas station's right there, so that should be fine. This dude's hauling. Let's hope you enjoyed a little bit of POV. Sorry about that, and just the camera right now. Random video, didn't really have too much content planned this week. I mean, I just didn't have the time, sadly. Had to deal with personal stuff. But next week should be fine. Here comes the car. Ooh, what I like about this road is everyone just flies by down here. And then we got the Speed 3 looking sexy right here. I was going ham, but then I'm kind of running low on gas, so I'm cruising now. I might cruise more down, like 2 more minutes over there. It's like a little, like a skid pad. It's not a skid pad. It's like it's a lookout, but people call it skid pad. And there's a whole bunch of cool cars there, so I might go over there and chill for a bit, and then coast down. Hopefully no one's on my ass, because I'm not going ham. I'm gonna cruise down. But yeah, fun little drive. P3 is always fun to drive. Sounds so good. Looks so good. Slipping a whole bunch of sticks right here. And that's my death right there, so I'm not gonna look. Oh, on the way here, I saw like some car parts. I don't kind of look like a car on the side of the road. I just want to say, guys, if you're up in the canyons, know your limits. Don't drive hard, because there's no point in crashing your car, risking your life, or killing yourself, you know. Just take it easy. If you feel like the car is going to lose control, then that means the car is going to lose control. Just know your limits. Skid pad, and it's literally a freaking car meet. Look at that. Cars everywhere. This thing is sick. That's nice. I'd say the red on these 2 cars is the same. I think it's called True Red. It looks very similar, but I had to just park right next to it, get a couple shots. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. It's a cool little drive. I didn't expect this many cars to be out here, but that's gonna be it today. I really want to get this video out for you guys tomorrow, so I'm gonna end it right here and get home and car just flew by. Get home and start editing it so you guys can see it tomorrow. Cool video, random. Glad it worked out. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.